Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get USD on Trust Wallet. First, open your Trust Wallet app and ensure you have a sufficient balance of a compatible cryptocurrency, like BNB or Ethereum, to initiate a swap. You'll need this to cover both the USD purchase and any associated network fees. Make sure your wallet is funded and ready for the next step. Next, tap on the swap icon located at the bottom of your Trust Wallet screen. Here, you will select the cryptocurrency you want to exchange, for example, BNB, and then choose USD as the cryptocurrency you wish to receive. Double-check the network, like BEP20 or ERC20, to ensure it matches your needs. Confirm the transaction after reviewing all details. Besides swapping, you can also acquire USD by purchasing it on a centralized exchange and then transferring it to your Trust Wallet. Alternatively, you might receive USD from another individual or wallet. Always confirm that the sending and receiving networks are identical, for instance, both on the Tron network or both on the Polygon network, to prevent loss of funds. Finally, always prioritize your wallet's security. Enable all available security features like passcodes and biometric authentication. Before confirming any transaction, meticulously double-check the recipient's wallet address and all transaction details to avoid errors. For more great deals, including the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum, check the description below this video. Your vigilance is key to protecting your digital assets.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.